So to start things off for today, we're actually going to be working on doing some shop improvement slash preparation for an extension, I guess. So we're going to be cleaning up this area and actually getting ready to pour a pad over here with an overhang for another spot to work on trucks. So pretty much the goal for today is get this hole cleaned out all right here, and then maybe get it graded, start planning everything out, and then we're going to work on the service truck for a little bit. Sorry, excuse me. We're gonna work on the service truck for a little bit. Well, we just need to get it off this piece of wood. So as you guys saw yesterday, we were working on it. It started torrentially downpouring, which, as you guys know, a camera in the rain doesn't work. So I'm gonna show you what we got to, where we stopped, why we stopped, and a few different things, just to wrap up this video, give you guys kind of an insight on what's going on. So we got it pretty graded, pretty good. This whole area we needed to fix over there still, but in talking about this, and it's sunny and raining right now in California. I don't even know what's going on. So we decided yesterday, because we were just talking about lengths and everything, and we just don't really, we did some math, all right? So we did some math, and probably not the best thing, but anyways, we decided that this pad was not going to be long enough for a truck with toolboxes, with everything up front. So that kind of created a whole issue with extending the pad out. So we were talking about extending the pad out. But then we were talking about how to get stuff from over there to over here and being the most cost effective and cheapest. And if we extended the pad out, we'd be over one concrete truck that we would need to pour this slab. So we talked about getting 2 trucks. Well, 2 trucks is a lot of concrete. So I think the overall plan is we're gonna build 5 feet out over here off the building. So we were originally going right up to it. We're going 5 feet out all the way to the door, well, right about the edge of the building. So we're gonna come, this whole area where the new shop's gonna be is gonna come out to 30 foot right here, and pretty much right where I'm standing, it's gonna bank out. If you see this 2x4, it's gonna bank out this way and then go 10 feet wide through in front of these doors, so we can still pull trucks up, and we can get, the whole idea behind this is be able to roll carts and forklifts and everything over here and out here for metal delivery. So we're actually getting 2 trucks of concrete, and we're just gonna do this whole area. So it is turning into a much bigger project, but it's for the better, you know? Why spend the money twice, or, you know, really screw ourselves on concrete or mixing a whole crap load by hand. We are gonna have to mix some by hand when we do it, so not a huge deal, but we can get it done. But basically, it's gonna be a pad all the way right here, all the way to here. It's gonna be coming out on an angle, and then sorry, the sun's like terribly in my eyes. And then it's gonna come out all the way to that door right there, 10 feet out. So we are gonna keep working on this probably this weekend, but that's just a little update on what's going on at the shop and why You didn't really see too much more yesterday because it was raining terribly. This weather is atrocious. It makes this apocalyptic pandemic seem so much worse. Sunny days are nice. But yeah, so if you guys enjoyed the video, drop a thumbs up. If you're new here, please hit that subscribe button and stay tuned to watch the shop expand. We'll catch you guys later. I'm out of here.